Hey guys, welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and this episode we're going to be talking about, will Bitcoin pass 40K? I'm not sure if you already got above 40K or not. It's already above 40K. I came up with the title before that happened. I came up with that title around 7:46, so over an hour ago. And we're not there, but oh my goodness, look at that. Mic's on? Alright, cool. Echo reverb, sound sure. Let me know. Test. All right, is it gone? Let me know. I'm sorry about that. No effects on. I think something changed. Music's back on. All right, good. All right. Excellent. Thanks. Yeah, I did something off. I have these things here, and for some reason, like this is where the music comes into, and this is where my voice comes into, but apparently they both were pulling in my voice. So that is a little bit awkward. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm not sure why that got not configured, but thank you guys for being here again. If you guys like what we do here at the State of Crypto, thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here. Today, we're going to be talking about, will Bitcoin pass 40K? Now, I came up with the title before that happened. I really thought we were going to go up to that 40K mark. We are at that 40K mark, which is pretty good. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you are thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links will be going out right now. Hopefully they'll go out to both platforms. Again, you don't want to go out to YouTube. It is an awkward day when things don't want to show where they're supposed to. Arise, Lord Vader. There we go. Right on. Thank you guys for joining me. Ooh, Madison with the kind donation. Thank you very much for that, Madison. Is that going out?
Say it
there we
with
go.
Me.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Legendary, Madison. Starting us off on the right foot. Madison, thank you very much for those $2. Now, there's something off here. We're pulling out another part. Like, why did this change everything? It's weird that it's starting to change my layout every time I come in. Like, my primary monitor switches now. Apparently, it becomes monitor 2, then it becomes monitor 3. Like, Windows is soft for some reason. It changes my monitor sequence. It changes the way things look. What time was it? Did we wake it at... I need to check something real quick, guys. Ha! Just so you know. Check this out. I was telling Alex, 476, will Bitcoin pass 40K, right? That was the question. And that was over here at 7. On a candle that turned red, I was posing the question, will Bitcoin pass 40K? We did, which is good. Let's go to market cap, see what's happening. TCG vibes. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for being here.
What's up?
No, they canceled the order. I don't know where my funds are. Bank's checking it, so we'll figure it out. It's a big mess, the whole laptop thing. We'll, we can talk about it afterwards on Discord or some other time. Don't want to talk about that on the stream. It's just a big mess. So anyways, total market cap, what is happening? We pumped yesterday 4.48%. Today pumping 1.39%, going for that 382 again, which is good. I think we can hit it, and that's gonna be at $1.57 trillion. Now we are sold, sorry, we're bought at 65.22. There's nothing bearish, right? There's nothing bearish here. We can still run, which is fine. We're still doing on the green. My shipping there is horrid. No, I bought it in the US. They just, there were no laptops available. They didn't execute the funds, but they were withdrawn from my account. They don't know, the company that I bought from don't know where the funds are because they never got them apparently because they just put them on hold. Bank doesn't know where I had to open a thing with the bank, but claim, and they're investigating. So the funds will turn up eventually, but that company I bought from canceled the order because they didn't have the funds to process the shipping of the laptop, which sucks. Now I'm gonna have to go back on queue, which is not gonna be nice. Anyways, let's roll. Let's keep going. What is happening with dominance at 48.95? Still rising on Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday, 1.43%. Today, rising 0.38, meaning Bitcoin is getting more than alts. Bitcoin right now, $40,117. Look at that. It's majestic. It's fine. We could go for 40,900, which is the area that we're expecting to see some resistance, and then we'll see if we get above that zone. We're going to have some resistance around 42,996. Hopefully we can get above 42K. I really hope we can get above 42K. That gets Bitcoin out of the bearishness. Let's go here to this chart. Oh, something's gonna come in a second. I just seen it. It'll come in a second. Why isn't that coming through? There we go.
I am in 2-to-1 leverage on Celsius. No worries, I have plenty to back up for margin call, but don't think I'll need it. Let's go to the freaking moon, rocket.
Let's go to the freaking moon. Thank you very much for that.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So awesome. Thank you very much, guys, for a kind donation and an awesome stream again. Let's get this team rolling. David Luna, good evening, my friend. What is up?
What's up?
Anyways, Bitcoin going up. We could go up to this zone, right? 40,600. We might reject around that area. There's still a resistance, right, that we need to get above. Now, where are we at with this pattern that we had on the Bitcoin? Ooh, I didn't want to move that. There we go. We're still in target that pattern move on breaking this large wedge, which is from here to here. Right, that's a move. That should be targeting around 49,000. I think that's what we called for, right? 48,000, 49,000, 49,299. Let's go back to the corn and see what's happening here. We're getting a move to the upside. We don't have anything bullish, which is fine. We don't have anything bearish right now. Above 39,291, which is the area that we want to be above. Yesterday, we beautifully pumped back up towards the end of the day and did extremely, extremely good. 4-hour chart. Mike Dutch in the house. What's up, my friend?
What's up?
Thanks for being here. What happened here? We did move down. We were looking for moving down, right? Move down, sideways a bit, and then we try to recover, which is fine. Here, consolidation wasn't the way I was expecting. I was expecting for consolidation to come down here, find support and pump. It's all good. No worries. We are starting to create bearish divergence, so watch out for that. On the 4-hour, look at this. Low to high. Let's get this here on the 4-hour. And let's keep moving through this. Look at this, high to low. High to low. To that stream, I'm going to keep it somewhat short, right? And the reason for that is I've been in front of the computer for so many hours looking at spreadsheets that like my head was hurting before the stream started. So I'm going to try to, do the stream, do like good TA for the coins that you guys have requested and maybe take some requests live, but I'm not going to be doing a full on stream like over 2 hours like we did yesterday. I do want to take some time off and like rest my head. This has been insane today. A lot of data that had to be processed. And it's fun though, but still gotta top that wick. Yeah, still gotta top this wick. Anyways, bearish divergence, potential action to downside. We are bought at 72.44. We did cool off a little bit on the RSI. We did go down to 60.83. Still in the bot. Now we're bought. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. And guess what? We can get to that 40,900 area and still have bearish divergence. So let's gonna be for Bitcoin. It's a tough spot, man. It needs to get its act together and pump a lot. 4-hour chart. Look at this 1-hour chart. Sorry. Look at this pump that we got. Look at this pump we started to get after 5 p.m. But afterwards, we were fine. Look, we had that hidden divergence yesterday when we were live. Look, this is 9 p.m. We were live here, and we started to pump afterwards. Look at that. Boom. Magical. Hidden bullish. Coming into play. Hidden bullish playing stronger than bearish divergence. Market is feeling a little bit more bullish. I'm happy. I'm happy. Yo, let's check here on this hour chart. Low to high. Low to high. High to low. Strong bearish divergence against the RSI. That's not so hot. Now, why am I saying that? There's a chance this might move down. Could it get to 40,900? It can. Can get up here. We'll just be going up to this area, and then we'll still be coming somewhere around here. And then we'll probably break down the fact that we still have bearish divergence at a resistance. Watch out. So let's keep rolling. How you guys' position doing? If you have a position open and it's doing good, type 1. If you have a position open and you're losing money, type 2. I'm interested. All right, let me know in the chat. If you have a position open, you're doing good, type 1. That means you're making profits. You have not taken profits. You're making profits. If you're losing money, type 2. Oh, Max is losing money. That sucks, bro. You're probably shorted. You're probably getting at a higher level and still not quite recover. A lot of people are making money, though. That's pretty good. Hi, Car Jesus in the Hills. What's up, Hi, Car?
What's up?
Right on. So, some bearish divergence. We might move down. We could move down from where we're at right now. We already have it. Can we go on building it? We could. We could go on building this bearish divergence strong. Nothing else that is bullish. Right? Nothing else that is bullish right now. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum 2,317. Gotta really squeeze the shorts. Right. Ethereum, it's doing good. 2,320 on the daily. We're hitting this previous highs over here, and that is beautiful because we're shaking off this divergence. Look at this. We're about to shake it off. We're still got a little bit more to go. I'm gonna zoom in here, make this very large so you can see. Look at that price. We got very little to go to where we can be neglecting or rejecting this divergence, right? But we still have hidden bearish. Unfortunately, there's one of those things that stick with us until we get rid of it, right? 8 moving averages are crossing bullish. Yeah, a lot of bullishness filling the market, right? We are bought at 61.31. We might be moving a little bit down. In fact, that we're bought. There's some hidden bearish. Yeah, I'll just follow Bitcoin, right? That's a trend right now. Bitcoin is the leader, and everyone's saying follow the leader, right? That's it. We're not gonna get a lot going on here, except what Bitcoin does. Like, this is not gonna do its own thing. Bitcoin's pumping 1.21%. Ethereum is pumping 0.64%. Right? Right. So, some action to downside could be expected. Some resistance could be expected. We're at a critical area, 2,207. We really need to break above this zone. Confirm closing above it on the next day if we want to move higher. Right? 4-hour chart. Right. So, bearish divergence moving down, hidden bullish, pumping us up. Trying to get above this area. We're still not above the previous high, which is an area we need to get above, right? This is going to place resistance. If we don't get above this previous high, we could still be looking for pressure, all right? Meaning action to downside. Bought at 61.18. Nothing else happening here since we looked at this yesterday. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Hidden bullish, starting to rally, which is fine. High to low, positive was positive, and high to low. From here to here, we're clear. Now, from here to where we're at right now, we are going slightly higher. And we're trying right now to go higher. But that movement higher, we're coming lower. on the MACD. So we're making less positive momentum, and we're also lower on the RSI. We're not down by a lot. Meaning if it pumps with a little bit more strength, we might shake this off. But we are starting to create some strong bearish support. And it is there right now. Will it keep on playing? It's just going to depend on how it goes. If we reject right now and we get below 2,300 and Bitcoin also starts to move down, yes, this might start to play us to the downside, right? But the fact that we are at this level right now, it's very, very, we're very close to this area. So dropping a little bit more is going to make it to where we don't have that divergence anymore, right? So we need to move with strength if we want to get rid of this strong bearish that we're starting to build. Look at Gabriel saying Bitcoin tomorrow at 47,000. Someone's feeling really bullish here. That'll be awesome if he gets there, man. Let's go check out Bitcoin. So many cup and handles. I don't know what to do with it. Call the Mad Hatter. High to low, low to high. Hidden bearish. Starting to build here on Ethereum. Yesterday got up, very nice. Still struggling right now. Ethereum is one of those weird charts to look at because it's an exchange coin. So a lot of people use it to move a little bit money from like one coin to another because they get beneficial rates by using the exchange and storing value sometimes. So the fact that Bitcoin is rallying, it could mean that people are getting out of Binance onto Bitcoin or moving money from other crypto onto Binance and then back to Bitcoin so they can get that better rate. But that doesn't really help with the price of Binance. That's why I think we see it struggle when there's pumps. Leonel's in the house. What's up, Leonel?
What's up?
You want to have a tea party? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Hidden bullish. Actually, the upside. Stuff from the 1 hour coming over. Ha! Forgot to anchor yesterday. Someone forgot to anchor. It's all good. There we are. So, not looking too bad. Yeah, Amazon, apparently there's also people talking about the fact that they might use Algorand and AMP. We'll see, right? It's weird, but you know, that's the rumors. Hello. Here's about 46.49. Not a lot happening here in the Binance 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. High to low, and high to low. Nothing here, nothing bullish, nothing bearish right now. Consolidating into what seems to be a sort of triangle. Right, we could go something like this right now. Maybe we can ignore this point here. Just go from this one. And go like this. It seems to fit a little bit better. And then we can say we're going like this. So we're making a symmetrical triangle that could break either way. That's the way triangles go, but it's the fifth hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We usually tend to break in the fifth or after the fifth. So hopefully we'll break to the upside. All right, triangle pattern. Woo-hoo. There we go. That's it for Binance. Let's move over and check out XLM. What are those little circular hard shell colored chocolate candies called? I see what you're trying to do there. You're trying to get us to invoke the powers of Excellent. W&Ws. That's correct, man. That is correct. See, Mike's ahead of him. Mike got it. I'm trying to get their own coin. Yeah. Amazon will. It would be weird that they don't come up with their own coin. They should. They should come up with their own coin. We talked about that yesterday. Let's go here on the XLM. Let's go to the daily. XLM struggling with some bounces. Weird. We do have the bullish divergence. We did pump. Now high to low. Right. High to low and low to high. Some hidden divergence we're going to call here against the RSI. Putting some pressure on that price. Need to stagnate a bit. Not really looked at this coin in some days. No one's requested it. It's all good though. Getting bearish. Getting us to stagnate. That's what we're getting. Still might move up if the rest of the cryptosphere moves up, but we're above that 20 moving average, and that's fine. Neutral at 52.93. Still pointing sideways, meaning move might not be as strong. We'll see. We'll see. Right, Lionel, run, run! They're coming for you, man. $5-0, man, run. Oh man, hopefully we'll keep on going here. Let's go Stellar on the 4-hour. Look at this Stellar. We had bearish divergence, move down. We pump. What do we create? More strong bearish divergence, but anchoring the way we want to do it from one island to the next. Then we're moving down on that. Low to high, and even here, low to high, low. Ooh, lower low, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing here that is hidden, not hidden bullish at least. And we do have an island here that we're going to respect for what it is. Meaning we could move sideways here, man. Move sideways. Yesterday, bro. Watch out, man. Watch out. Make sure you run fast. Get those good sneakers out, man. Put on your Jordans so you can run faster. Air Jordans so you can even bounce higher. Neutral at 51.69. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. You might want to ask Jake. He knows. He knows that stuff. He knows about that stuff. XRP 64.58. Anyways, bullish divergence. Getting that pop to happen. Still below 65.63. Have moved very nice up here. Hit resistance, got above it. Right, next resistance, rejection, got above it. Now we got to get above 65.30, 63. It's working out nice. That bullish divergence is coming into play beautifully across the market. Short-term stuff, bearish divergence, strong. Yeah. We are neutral at 58.72. Now, low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. I'll just go with that. I might zoom in here, see if we have some hidden bullish. That's about it. Let's go draw the line right now. Make sure we still got it here on the 4-hour chart. I forgot to anchor. Look at that. Ain't that great? Let's fix this. Because otherwise it's going to be a mess. Why? Why must I forget to anchor sometimes, man? Why can't I remember to anchor all the time? Right? It just sometimes happens. It sometimes happens. Part of life. Low to high. Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. Starting to get that bounce. Great. Need to get above 65.63 cents. Right now, 64.52. We also need to beat this high here, or this previous high here on the spike. So, you know, a lot of resistance to the upside on XRP. XRP for the party. Get it together. Yeah, get it together, man. High to low. High to low. High to low. Nothing here that is bearish. Also, well, from here to here, some hidden bullish. That's about it. But we're starting to consolidate into a triangle pattern. I mean, So it's not looking like the best triangle, but it's close enough to be a good triangle like that. Symmetrical, could break either way. We should get a measure move once we break. Hopefully to the upside. That measure move would be from the high point here to the low point here. That would be the move that we're going for. I'm not, Lionel. I am married. Thank you for asking, though. Neutral at 57.15. Let's check what else we're gonna do, man. ADA. Let's do ADA. Or farmed it, yeah. Let's check out ADA. It's German. Dude, you guys are having a blast in the chat. That is awesome. That's what it's all about, creating community. I'm glad you guys are here. You make it much more enjoyable. Hi to low. Hi to low. Hi to low. I remember most of the days when I was starting streaming, it was just me talking to no one. I think it was just only Soka here. Soka's been here since day one. And then some people came along, and then Jake came along. And then some people left, and Jake stayed. And then, you know, a lot of people started to come in. And then, you know, Steve arrived, Boomer, May. And then some people left. And then a lot of people started coming again. It's weird how this thing happens in waves. And then some of you guys stick around, which is awesome. The bid, good luck with that, man. I hope you do good with your holdings. There's stuff here I forgot to anchor in the 1 hour. I'm going to clean this up real quick. Wow, what's wrong with me? I didn't do a lot of anchoring yesterday. You have all the energy in the world. High to low, high to low, high to low. There's nothing here bearish. Neutral at 52.10. Still could go up to $1.40. Right now, $1.28. 4 hour chart, bearish divergence moves us down. Hidden bullish, getting us to move sideways, up and sideways, which is fine. That's what we expect to see with a hidden bullish. Say we still have it to there, and that will still track to there. Right? So neutral at 55.43. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Batsy, what's up? Thank you for being here. Hi to New York.
What's up?
You look forward to my readings. What am I gonna read? The tarot or something? High to low, high to low, high to low, low to high. Dude, again, consolidation into a triangle. That's why we're making so many triangles everywhere. Triangles everywhere. That should have been the name of the stream. Triangles everywhere. Something like that. I just want to highlight the pattern. Not really gonna pinpoint it right now, but we're making a triangle on ADA. That means we could break it away, which is fine, right? Impulse stop, sorta. Not the best impulse up. With impulse stop, we can say we're consolidating this level. Doesn't look like the best consolidation by any means. On the daily, it might look a little bit better, right? We have that rally, and it doesn't quite look like consolidation either. But we're consolidating. Take that. Bitcoin 39,900. Oh my goodness, it's below 40K. Why, Bitcoin? Why? We're trying to see if it'll hold above 40K. Don't believe him. Don't believe him, Card. He's always promising pizza to people that don't eat pizza. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. XRP has a lot of power. XRP is well connected with banks. It could drive massive adoption. And guess what? The US is not the only country in the world. Right? There's other countries like Japan that are still talking to Ripple, that are still working with them to develop cross-border payment stuff. There are banks like Santander that are using some of their services to also work cross-border payment stuff, right? So what I'm saying is, if everyone else in the world starts using XRP for cross-border payments, the US is going to have to jump on board, because they're like, no one's want to be using just some other system or implement another system again, right? They might just rather use the one. So I mean, Ripple does have advantage, and they're working with MoneyGram, and they're trying to work with other money transfer companies, which is interesting. I believe they have future. They just need to get out of the lawsuit. Rating charts. I am very interested in ADA. That's awesome. We already looked at ADA. Batsy, thank you very much for being here. Crypto Smoke. What's up, guys? Well, a lot of things going up in smoke, man. Time to short. Some people are shorting. Some people are shorting. There is bearish divergence for potential action to downside, right? Potential. Might come down to 39,291, find support and bounce again. Bearish divergence in the 4-hour as well, right? So we're looking for potential moving down. We need to pump quite a bit more for us to shake this off. It needs to pump with strength. It needs to pump something like this, maybe, here, to get rid of this divergence. And even then, it's an if. Even if we get to 40,906, we might still have divergence and break down from there, right? Right. On top, you just want to remember that fun token is being incorporated into Las Vegas Strip. That is fun. What is fun gonna do? Lionel says he's shorting. Bearish on the daily. Right. You're not familiar with Discord. Ah, that's a cool chat app. It was like a post board / chat / forum. It's fun. Check out Solana for the people. All right. Let's do comp. Then we'll do Solana, right? We still got comp to do. Leonel, you gotta wear like shorts, high socks, and like sneakers like a cholo or something. Make sure your shorts go below your knees and your socks go above your knees, right? Otherwise, it's not gonna look good. Can we watch your stream on Discord? No, I'm not streaming to Discord. Sometimes I stream there. It's rare, but when I don't stream here, Let's go to comp. Comp at $397. Let's get on the daily. Are we doing the cup with handle still? It's struggling, right? I mean, we didn't get it where we needed it. Elbows up. All right, lean like a cholo. Right. So I'm just gonna move this somewhere around here. I mean, we did break the area that we wanted to hold, which is fine. I don't think this cup and handle is gonna play, man. It's not looking really good as a cup and handle. It could pump if the rest of crypto pumps. It's just not looking like a cup and handle. Nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at 52.18. Struggling with the pumps, even though Bitcoin is pumping, right? Ooh, max.
An analyst I'm following is predicting that BTC will drop to 36K before a massive rally. What's your take on that?
Bro, thank you very much for that. I appreciate
Audience, say it with me.
it. Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for the awesome donation. We can look at that in a second, right? Let me finish comp. We'll go back to Bitcoin, then we'll move on to Solana, right? And we'll check if it can drop to 36K, which is really, like, we're not that far off. It's not a big drop that it has to do, right? So we'll look at that and see what happens. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Neutral at 52.91, right? High to low, high to low, high to low, and high to low. There's nothing here bullish or bearish. Again, same thing that we're seeing across some cryptos. Already sort of large triangle forming here. Symmetrical. Slightly downsloping, but symmetrical. Could break either way. Symmetrical triangles break 50-50. I mean, I wish I could tell you something different, but that's the way it goes. Symmetrical triangles are neutral patterns. They just tell us that we're consolidating, right? We're making lower highs every time, and we're making higher lows. That's it. We are neutral at 52.65, pointing down on the RSI, meaning we could be looking for action on the downside. So not a lot happening here on comp. Back to the corn to address that question. 36,000. Could we get there? I mean, there is bearish divergence, right? Look at this bearish divergence here. Bearish divergence here on the 4-hour chart. The daily, we're clear. The daily could still run, even hit 40,900. So what I'm looking at here, it's where can it drop to, right? So primary target would be 39,291. If we break there, 37,393, and if we break there, 36,556. So could we go to 36Ks? Somewhere around the 36Ks? We could. It wouldn't be weird. We do have bearish divergence. I would suggest the market could move down. We have it on the 4-hour. We have it on the 1-hour, right? So it's interesting. Guys, thanks for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like. Oh, man. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub.
I just want IT this robot voice to say my Lionel, smiley face.
Lionel, thank you very much for that. Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
That was awesome. Today's until the next Cardano 360. That's awesome. That's pretty good. Right. So remember, guys, this is their crypto. We're gonna become the best crypto channel out there. We're on our way to becoming the best crypto channel out there because we have the best people and the best viewership. So why I said the best viewership, you guys are consistent. You're here every day. You make an awesome community. You chat in the Discord. You chat on here, which is awesome. You reply to the questions. You bring topics of conversation. You bring news. You bring theories. You bring charts. That's awesome. That's what we want to build in a community, right? So it's amazing that you guys are here. And thank you for being here. Thank you for liking and subscribing. But if you want to help us grow, best thing you can do to help us grow is to hit the like right now. Hit the like right now because we're lacking on the likes. We're 54 people watching, only 23 likes. If you have been sitting here watching this video, hit the like. We provide free content. This is all educational, right? You can ask questions. We reply. We answer them as straight as possible. We don't FUD, we don't FOMO. So if you want to help the channel grow, hit them likes. That's going to be amazing. You're going to feel good because you hit the like and you're helping the stream. I'm going to feel good because I feel appreciated because of the likes. So it's a win-win. Everyone wins. Let's keep rolling. If you don't hit the like, that means you're against Bitcoin. You want Bitcoin to fail. Hopefully that's not the case. Let's keep rolling. If you don't hit the like, you're an anti-crypto person. You want crypto to fail. Let's keep checking this out. So Bitcoin could drop. Oh, Lionel, there goes again.
Lionel is my baby daddy. Smash the like button.
All right, Lionel. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, Lionel. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Let's put Ava, sorry, on the list. Lionel's crazy, man. He's here every night. He's here every night, guys. A lot of you guys are here every night. Right, let's go Solana first and then Ava. See, we have an amazing community, guys. This is the best community out there so far. Lionel wants Bitcoin to 100K. Everyone wants Bitcoin to 100K. Except Peter Schiff. He probably wants Bitcoin to go to 0. But that's because he's a perma-bear on Bitcoin. And he's a gold bug. But I wouldn't be surprised if he owns Bitcoin. He just doesn't want to admit it. Because he'll kill his whole spiel that he's been talking about for years on gold. His son owns Bitcoin. So, you know. Joseph, what's up?
What's up?
Right, so Solana, we had that bullish divergence. We created more strong bullish divergence, just like a lot of the other projects had. We just haven't looked at Solana in a while. So it's not surprised that we get this move. A lot of projects had it. Something that we saw across the cryptosphere, that they all moved the same. Neutral at 46.92, right? So we're neutral, which is fine. High to low, positive is positive, and high to low. Nothing else happening here that is bearish. We can still go up. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart has bearish divergence also. Oh, would you look at that, mister? Hey, everybody. It's me, Mickey. You want to come to my... What was it he says? You want to come to my clubhouse? We should have a clubhouse. Dang it. Why do I not have clubhouse? We should just do hangouts in clubhouse. Is clubhouse still a thing? Is clubhouse still a thing? Hi, Mitchell. How's it going, man? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
So bearish divergence, actually downside. Why did I draw that line? We don't have hidden bullish. Jeez, what was I looking for? It's not here. We are neutral at 52.12. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. You're in Clubhouse? I don't know. Can I do Donald? No. Jar Jar Binks has a do. People love Jar Jar Binks. Except on Star Wars, because Jar Jar Binks most suckiest character ever. What? No, oh yeah, Clubhouse. That'll be awesome. I don't have Clubhouse. I don't even think there's Clubhouse in my deal, but that's fun. Right. Am I missing a question? Feels like I'm missing a question. Why does it feel like I'm missing an important question? I can't do Pluto, man. He's just a dog. He doesn't do anything. It feels like I missed a question. Jar Jar Binks, boss. I think the bot removes those comments, bro. I'm sorry about that. The bot probably has like an anti-curse word stuff on it. Solana bullish divergence in the 1 hour. Sorry if I'm diverting from the charts. We should do more chart. We should have when I start like talking about other stuff, we should have like a picture of a dude coming in like with a whip and be like, chart, Martin, chart. Just to remind me that I need to get back to charting. Sometimes I just get, cut up with the chat, which is fun. Anyways, hello. Do we have bearishness here? Hidden bearish. Might start stagnating the price and give some consolidation, right? Meaning we could go down. Because we're going with hidden divergence. That is what we have. Is a little LTC network slow right now? I'm not sure. I'm not using the LTC network. It could be. Neutral at 54.46. That is for Solana. Let's go check out. Do we have fibs for this? I think we have fibs for this. Do we not have fibs for Solana? We do. They just fell behind because we have an update. We should just extend this line here. As long as this close to where it was, I guess. Slightly higher. There we go. We're rejecting 50% retrace. That's why we're struggling to go up. All right, then. We did Solana. Let's go to Ava. Ava! Now we're doing Rocky Balboa. Yo, Adrian. I always start doing it like I'm Rocky. Alright. You guys wouldn't be able to tell what I'll be charting. Low to high, high to low. Look at that. It is a badge. It is a badge. Very, very badge, man. 4 hour chart. Very badge. Strong bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. Moving down to that. Trying to bounce. We'll see if we have some hidden bullish here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at 55.23. We didn't do the daily for this. Why did we not open up on the daily? There is bullish divergence, just like everyone else. Remember what we said? A lot of projects that we haven't looked at have it. Look at that. It's there. It's their price. It's a bullish divergence party, and everyone got invited. That's great. That means we go up. Everyone goes up. We all go up. We're all going to go up down here. What exchange do I use? I'm using TradingView right now for the charts. But I use Bitso, Binance, South Exchange, Coinbase, Coinfield. What else? Poloniex. I'm missing one. Snaps. I forgot the name. Shit. Forgot the name of the exchange I use. Why can I not remember the name? That's another exchange. KuCoin. That's it. And sometimes I use Bybit. Yeah, those will be exchanges that I use. Bullish divergence, action to upside, hitting that 20, trying to get above it. That's fine. Coming back down, testing that support, rejecting it. Very nice. Here, move down, hit the 20, trying to hold that as support. Very nice again. 1 hour chart. Let's do this. High to low. High to low. Low to high. Negative, less negative, low to high. High to low, neutral at 52.35. So we are moving sideways. There's nothing bullish, nothing bearish. We're just consolidating in sideways motion, waiting for the market to do something. Yeah. There's I have the advantage that I'm outside of the US and I can use a lot of exchanges, so that's fine. You wouldn't mind trying Bybits here. Lowest siestas. All right. Lowest spread. All right. You can use your affiliate link, man. We have one in the description. So if you want to use Bybit, use your affiliate link. It gives us some kickback when you trade with them, which is nice, I guess. I don't think we have a lot of affiliates signed up. I rarely push links. Like, I don't sit here and push links for anything, but we do. Well, now that you say Bybit, we do have an affiliate link. If you want to use it, it's in the description. I would advise you to be careful when shorting, though. Not financial advice. It's just a, how can we say this without it being, because it's not advice. I'll just say be careful. That's it for Ava. Let's go back to the, let's go here to 9,647 Bitcoin. Struggling, man. Right, sorry about that. I hit the mic's boom arm. Right, so that's it. Bearish divergence starting to move us down. You go to 39,291. Wouldn't be weird if we go there. We could try to find support. If we break there, we do have that 20 moving average to look forward to at 38,433. If we break there, support at 37,393. If we break there, support at 36,556. And if we break there, 35,733. A lot of supports on the way down. Let's see if we can keep on going higher. Rustam Age. Hello, how am I feeling today? I'm really tired. I had a massive headache before the stream started. I've been looking at not charts, but numbers all day. Excel sheets and capturing a lot of data and processing a lot of data, so my head feels like it's gonna explode from looking at stuff. But other than that, I'm good. I'm having a blast being here. I love being here, man. I think like this is the best part of the day. It's one of the best part of the days. Like my kids coming into the office and hanging out, that's pretty cool part of the day. I think that's the best part of the day. And then being here is also really, really good part of the day. That's why I like coming here, and I try to come here live every day. It's very rare the day that I'm not here. But I do try to come here every day because I really, really enjoy doing this and being here. And, you know, I enjoy being part of this community and you guys helping me build this. It's amazing. So yeah, it's awesome. Like I said, this is going to become the best crypto channel out there. It's just a matter of time. In time, we'll become the most awesome channel of crypto. If you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. If you haven't done it yet, make sure you do. Otherwise, you're a crypto hater. Rune Thorchain. Oh, bro. All right. Don't forget to take a walk, fresh air when you can. I know. It's just been a long day today. I was on vacation for about a week and a half, and I did something that I've never done, which is not check emails. So I didn't open my computer. I didn't do anything for work for a week and a half. Had a lot of backlog stuff. That's why I hate going on vacations, because I get a lot of backlog stuff and a lot of stuff I needed to solve yesterday and today. So it's been crazy. And, you know, it's a process, right? You need a data analyst? I'm not sure. I'll check with the company. I was looking at a lot of numbers for imports and exports of commodities regarding a market that I have zero knowledge of. Yeah, you can use spreadsheets. You can just there's some software out there that you can input stuff into. It just really depends, man. If you have longs, the best thing you do, you can close them, and you can look at your net unrealized profit, or your net unrealized P&L. Right, so it'll tell you how much you're up. Right, so those are things. Steve, what's up? You're out for a while. Thanks for being here, and much appreciated. I don't have a buy thing still. I haven't put a buy thing. So we'll do what are we gonna do for Steve, man? When he's walking away. I guess this one.
Sorry.
That's it. I'll buy you sensei. There we go.
Value sensei. Value sensei.
That's what we're gonna do. For Steve going away. You learn to see divergence. That is good. It doesn't matter. The strength, I would say, is the thing that matters the least. You have strong, weak, medium, and hidden. If you're drawing, just know that if you're drawing on the top and on the top of your indicator, you have bearish. You're drawing on the bottom part of the price line and the bottom part of the indicators, you're bullish. That's it. That's all that matters. Whether it's hidden, medium, high, strong, medium, weak, or hidden, it doesn't really matter. It's just bearish divergence or bullish divergence. There's different chances that it plays out, different strengths that it might play out where it could go, but you know, overall bullish means that it will try to go up, bearish means he'll try to go down. Right? So, good stuff. Good divergent stuff. Short, sweet, to the point. Someone had said a coin, and I didn't write it down. I'm gonna have to go look for it. It said, add the set of crypto. Can you check out Rune Thorchain? Right. I'm gonna write no more coins after this one, right? Again, nice stream, short, sweet, to the point. Rune Thorchain, come back to Bitcoin, and we'll sign off. So, Rune. I can't find it here, man. You asked for Rune Thorchain. It's not here as a pair. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna look at Rune in general, and that's it. I think it's $1. What's your opinion on meme coins? Oh, I would say be careful. A lot of rock pools, you're more likely to get wrecked than to make profit. Be careful. Right? If you didn't get them on the movement they came out at, that you're gonna probably get wrecked. You're probably buying in high, you know. Just be careful. All right, dropping, still below that 786. Let's just extend this line, I guess. Yeah, below 76, below 20. Bullish divergence, strong by the looks of it. Same as we had with the other projects. Look at this. And then from here to here. Bullish divergence strong, trying to rally below the 20. We should be aiming for that 20 moving average at 4.58, and then at 786, which is right here at $4.77. Right now, $3.97. Neutral at 40.12, still neutral. That means we could go sideways. Try to go back up to that middle 4-hour chart. Rune to the dollar. That's the one we're doing, man. Awesome. High to low. High to low. Low to high. There we go. Right. We're moving down a bit. We're going for that 20, trying to find support. Nothing else happening here. That is bullish. Neutral at 51.92, meaning we could go either way. And what we're seeing here is also we're making a triangle pattern, right? That triangle coming like this. And this is just recurring across a couple of the projects, right? We're starting to consolidate and waiting for it to happen. We can even say it like that. This is too short of a pattern. That means we get a breakout now. So this might be the move that we're going for, right? An extension of this line. Just need to wait for it. It's still symmetrical triangle. That means it can break either way. Unfortunately, that's the way it rolls, right? I mean, really wish symmetrical triangles always broke some part, but it's a 50-50 shot. So let's play a game. It's a small game. I'm gonna ask you guys a question. You gotta answer honestly. Where do you guys think this is gonna be? In 1 week, Bitcoin will be at, write the dollar amount that you guys think Bitcoin will be in 1 week. Let me know in the chat. In 1 week, Bitcoin will be at X amount of dollars, right? I want to see what your predictions are. Not predictions, what your estimates are for the price of Bitcoin. Right, look, if this is to be the triangle that we're trading, we just broken out of, we're back testing. We could break back in. This could be a fake breakout. We're looking to move back up. I want to write those down. We'll see in a week time. Someone's got to remind me to come back and look at this. 1 week. Let's see. AD says 45K. That's not a bad guess. Isaac says 36K. All right, very close to where we're at right now. Andrew says 39,722. Right. And then C says 52K. Jake says 43.5. Who else? MA 39,650. Sackmar says 37,000. All right. Lilith says 41K. That's a pretty good guess. John Smith says 48K. Right. AD says 42K tomorrow. AD had 45K, so that'll be going to his target. That's good. What is my guess? That's a pretty good one. I'll tell you guys in a second. Gotta go back to the Bitcoin chart. gonna give you guys a range of price that I think we're gonna be, you know, hopefully we're gonna be there. All right, so neutral is 1.56. That's it for room, right? Again, consolidation, starting to break back in here. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, nothing bearish, nothing bullish right now here in the short term. It's all good for Rune. Go back to the corn and check it out. 1 week from now, that'll be Tuesday the 3rd, right? Doing the daily. All right. So what I'm thinking is that we have not consolidated yet. Right, we've just been running green for a couple days. We need to get some consolidation. We're gonna get exhausted. We're gonna get exhausted, and we could get exhausted soon rather than later. Bitcoin doesn't tend to have a lot of these long green runs, right? 33% over the past 7 days. 7, 8, 6, 7, 8 days, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With this one. The last time with Bitcoin was this green. You're gonna have to go back and look at it, but I don't think we have had. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, and then we start to struggle. So here we have one example of 7 days. Other than that, we don't have that many green days in a row. Look at this. Even on the rally, right? Even on the rally, we did not create those many green days. I'm looking for data right now. I can see how this has behaved. So this is starting to look a little bit like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And after that, we consolidate it, right? Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then kind of consolidated down sloping. So just by looking at what happened in the past, if you ask me where we could be, I would say, let me go here. Let me bring the tool here. And all right, so if this is the top here, right, I think we could be maybe somewhere in this area by next week. So we're looking at, what are we saying, the 3rd? So I'll just leave it at the 3rd. Is that correct? Yeah, August the 3rd. All right. So market has to be the 4th because this is one extra day, right? I'll say maybe somewhere around here. That's where I would ballpark Bitcoin at. That is if we start to consolidate, though, right? Expecting it to consolidate because we just had a massive run. We have not consolidated. There's bearish divergence in the 4 hour. There's bearish divergence in the 1 hour. So with the data that we have right now, I'll be saying that Bitcoin might be around this zone, right? And that zone is from 39,100 to 36,800. So that's where I would probably put Bitcoin at, because nothing bearish on the daily, right? We could still run and hit this pattern move. That'll be amazing if we go here. But seeing where Bitcoin's at right now, and the fact that we might need to consolidate, and that we have a lot of bearish divergence and starting to build. We had bearish divergence here on the 4 hour pushing us down. Bearish divergence here on the 1 hour pushing us down, right? We'll see. That's where I would be guessing. Crocs in the house. What's up, Jack?
What's up?
Bro, I heard we're getting close to our request, but I'll do it real quick. Just because we have not done it in a long time, and that's I'm gonna sign off after our Ethereum Classic, right? $48.88. All right. Let's do this real quick. All right, a lot of consolidation happening here. Low, lower, low. There was bullish divergence, right? Yeah, brother. Thank you very much for being here. All right, that was bullish divergence. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high here. Nothing here that is bearish, high to low. Sideways, high to low. Nothing here that is bearish or bullish, right? We're just consolidating this zone for 9.88. As well here. No bearish divergence. Look, going up higher and higher. We're breaking down with the market. That is fine. Hidden bullish divergence starting to develop. That's why we're moving up, but we're still failing to get higher above that 20 and higher than the previous high. We can start consolidating this level. If we reject the 20 consistently, we might be looking for actually the downside, right? Neutral 52.42. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. All right, so we did have bearish divergence, and it was just against the RSI. After that, we started to move down. Boom. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Neutral at 49.20. That is it. High to low, and high to low. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish here. What? Did I give an answer? I gave an answer. I gave a range. Put it here. Wait, was it in this chart? Put it here. That's my range. And this is where I believe Bitcoin could be if we start to consolidate after that impulse up. If we start to consolidate after that impulse up. If we don't consolidate and we go for this move, which we could go because we're on track to hit this, we could still go higher, man. I mean, target for this move is up here. 49,299, right? So I believe we still have not gotten out of this area. It has provided a lot of resistance, right? Right now we're getting a bullish move, but we're still failing to get outside of that, 40,700 mark, 40,900. Getting over that area, yes, we could be getting above 42,000. Yes, we could be going for this zone. So I would say above 42K. Target measure move. Right. So about 42K could target measure move. There we go. If we remain in the box, right, this boxed area, we could target the smaller rectangle. Hope that answers, man. Right? Yeah. Yeah. We know. We have this area on this chart here that we have not hit this zone since that top part here in January. Right? So we are hitting resistance. That's what I'm saying. That if we fail to get above this area, or if we fail to get above this area, we could be consolidating by here by a week. If we do get above this zone, we could be targeting a major move up here. That's what I would be guessing for Bitcoin, right, in a week. Hopefully that's a move. $40K, yeah, close, man. Hopefully we get above 40. I want Bitcoin to get above 42K and go higher. There's gonna be a lot of resistance, man. We even have a resistance here at 40,900. Guys, that's gonna be for tonight. Thank you for watching again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? Do those things. Do those awesome things. This is Crypto, the most amazing channel out there. And you're part of it, so you're all amazing for being part of the greatest channel in crypto. Now, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Crypto. I'm host Martin. It was a pleasure being here on this awesome. What is it today? Tuesday. It feels already like it's a Friday, but anyway, no. A Monday. Another Monday. But thank you for being here. Remember, this is all for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. So if you are enjoying the content, yeah, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And if you're enjoying the content, come back tomorrow. We'll be here at 9 p.m. Central. Until then, guys.